Hey guys, before we begin, I wanted to mention that this video is in partnership with makeup.com, so I really hope that you all enjoy. To prime my skin, I am going to use the Maybelline Blur and Illuminate Primer, and then I'm going to follow up with my Matte and Poreless Fit Me Foundation in the shades Warm Honey and Toffee. I'm going to buff that out really well, and then I'm going to follow up with my Beauty Blender for a flawless finish. For concealer, I am going to use the Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Golden, also from Maybelline, and I'm just going to use that to highlight the highest points of my face. To set those same areas, I am going to use my Dermablend Loose Setting Powder in the shade Original. I love this setting powder because it gives me a flawless airbrushed finish. To contour, I am going to use the MAC Cosmetics blush in the shade Blunt. However, for drugstore purposes, you can use the Master Contour Palette from Maybelline. Now, to warm up my face, I am going to use the Master Bronzer Palette from Maybelline as well. And I'm going to use that third shade, which does have some shimmer in it, but it's not overpowering. So in my opinion, it's perfect. For brows, I am going to use the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer in the shade Dark Brunette. In my opinion, this is a Brow Wiz dupe. I feel like it's the same exact product, just less expensive. And it does last a little longer in my opinion than Brow Wiz, but in my opinion, it's a bomb brow product. To clean up my brows a little bit, I am going to use some of that Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer again in the shade Golden, and I'm just going to carve them out a little bit to make them sharper. I'm also going to blend out that concealer using a fluffy concealer brush, and I'm also going to bring that concealer down onto my eyelid to use as an eyeshadow primer, and I'm also going to set it using my Dermablend setting powder. Now, I'm done with my base, so I'm going to first begin by settling my powders and setting my face using MAC Fix Plus to make my skin look more skin-like. And then I'm going to use my Urban Decay All Nighter Spray to really lock in my base. Now for eyeshadow, I am going to use the City Mini palette, the Shayla one from the collab. And I'm going to use that matte shade, and I'm going to first apply that to my outer V area as well as the crease of my eye. Then I'm going to blend it out using a brush that had a little bit of product on it from another eyeshadow palette. I'm not sure which one exactly, but I love the way that the colors blended together for this outer V area. Now I'm going to use one of the L'Oreal Crushed Foils shadow for my lid, and these shadows are amazing. Like, they have a ton of pigment, as you can see, and it's a lot of shimmer, but it's not super glittery, if that makes sense. So I'm going to apply that all over my lid. I'm going to go back into the Makeup Shayla City Mini palette, and I'm going to use that shimmery shade just to deepen up my outer V area a little bit. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to use my L'Oreal Infallible pencil in the shade Black, and I'm just going to lightly line my upper lash line just to make it a little darker. I'm not doing any wing liner today because I'm not applying falsies. For mascara purposes, I am using the Waterproof Total Temptation Mascara from Maybelline. We are going to be a wedding guest, so there's a chance we might have some waterworks. I'm also going to lightly line my lower lash line and also smoke it out a bit using that same Makeup Shayla palette. I'm also going to apply mascara to my lower lashes as well, just to really make them pop. For blush, I am going to be using the MAC Cosmetics blush in Peaches, but a good dupe is the Peach blush from Maybelline Fit Me collection. For highlighter, I am using the NYX Cosmetics Born to Glow palette using that gold shade, and I'm just going to highlight the highest points of my face, my forehead, bridge of my nose, tip of my nose, Cupid's bow, inner corners of my eye, and brow bone as well. To follow up with lips, I am going to use the Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer in the shade Unreal. In my opinion, this is the perfect nude shade. I feel like it complements a ton of different skin tones very well, and like I said, it's the perfect nude shade. To finish up, I am going to use a little bit of Fix Plus just to settle my makeup a little bit more and to really help that highlighter melt into my skin. I really hope that you all enjoyed this wedding guest tutorial look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.